Kaya naman ginawa niya.
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and
I got myself a nut of yellow for the first time. Ngayon ko lang siya try. Parang kahoy. Kasi parang stone na. Ayan o. Parang kahoy pala. Cute! Cute! Nga pala, a disaster happened in our room. Ang daming tumulo, pati sa kama mo. Munti ka na mabasa ang keyboard. Sa table mo pala, ang daming tulo. So, share ko lang. Vlog. So we're at a Korean grocery store.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love.
Umas na! Baka kagatin eh. Hindi pa kami gatin yung tanga pala. Yung ginauna niya.
Hello! So, bumili kami sa Share Eats. So, punta kami ngayon dito sa Sunrise Roast and I'm gonna buy some coffee. Congrats again, girl. I'm so proud of you.
I've been getting out of bed these past few days. Think it's fair to be proud about it. I've quit